Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the solutions of our internal examination of data science. So the first question was, how is the unstructured data analyzed in the context of data science? Provide an example of a data mining activity used to analyze unstructured text data. How can text mining techniques be employed to automate the classification of written complaints? So here it is. How is unstructured data analyzed in data science? So first we have to know what exactly is a unstructured data. Unstructured data is a data which is not in a predefined format. Like structured data is the data which is in a tabular form, but unstructured data um, can contain text, images, videos, social media posts, etc. So analyzing unstructured data can be difficult, but it can be facilitated by involving techniques like natural language processing, machine learning, data mining, text mining. These techniques help us to extract meaningful patterns, insights, and information from our raw data, which is unstructured data. It can be text, images, audio, and video. The process typically involves these three features, which is data pre-processing, feature extraction, and analysis. So let's start with data pre-processing. It involves tokenization, removing stop words, stemming, and lemmatization. Now, what is tokenization? Tokenization is assigning a unique token to each word, like to give them unique identity. Removing stop words is removing the words which are not needed or words which are not important. And then we have feature extraction, which is converting unstructured data into numerical formats using techniques like bag of words, term frequency inverse, document frequency, or word embeddings. And here stemming and lemmatization is removing the part of speech type kind of words. Analysis is applying machine learning models, like which can be clustering, like grouping the similar items, or classification, which have target variable, or sentimental analysis to drive insights. Now let's have a look on example of a data mining activity, which is a text clustering. So here we have reviews or complaints as an example. By using LDA, which is latent direct late allocation, a topic modeling technique, we can identify the main themes present in a large corpus of data. For instance, customer complaints about an e-commerce platform might cluster into themes like delivery issues, product quality, and return policies. Like for example, in real world, if we are shopping from apps like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, or any other e-commerce website, when we go to the sections of query or complaint, they have sections. They do not ask us to voluntarily type in the complaint, but there are groupings. So these groupings are made on the themes on which there can be issues like delivery issues, product quality, return policies, or missing a product. These can form a cluster because they have a similar property within them. Now we have automating complaint classification. Now, to automate the complaint classification, we can use these following text mining activities, which is text pre-processing, which involves cleaning, tokenization, stop word removal, and stemming and lemmatization. So cleaning is to remove noise such as HTML text, special characters. Tokenization is to split the sentences and give them tokens, assign them tokens. Then stop word removal is filter out common non-informative words like the, is. And then stemming or lemmatization is to reduce the words to their root forms like ing, removing ing, the verb forms to simple forms. Then feature engineering is TF, using TF IDF to extract the term frequencies to determine the importance of the word in the data set. Like for example, if you want to know the seriousness of an issue, we can go to the complaint and find the frequency of the words. Like if there is a frequency of the word fraud, it is written 5 times, then we can get the idea that it is a fraudulent activity. Then we can have word embeddings, which can be word to vec, glove, bird to represent words in a dense vector space, capturing a semantic meaning. Then we have a model building, which is supervised learning. So we can train a classifier, we can have a random forest, we can use random forest, logistic regression on neural networks. These I have covered in our data science series. And then we can use unsupervised learning. It can use clustering techniques to group the complaints into meaningful clusters when labels are not available. Again, clustering is also being covered in the same series. Then we can automate it. Once the whole data set is trained, it is pre-processed, it is featured, model is built, and we can automate these complaints based on their textual content. So here's an example. Consider there is a telecom company and they have to automate complaint management. So a customer's written complaint is, my internet is not working for the past 2 days and I can't reach customer support. Then it can be classified into technical issues category using a trained natural language processing based classification model. So this is the use case of what we have learned. This is it for today's video.